Hey travelers, welcome back to Let's Explore, the channel where we uncover the world's hidden gems and share tips to make your adventures unforgettable. Today, we're diving into the vibrant and enigmatic island of Cuba. Stick around as we unveil Cuba's untold stories, share insider tips, and explore the culture that makes this destination so unique. Let's get started. Cuba, the land of classic cars, salsa rhythms, and rich history. From the bustling streets of Havana to the serene beaches of Varadero, Cuba offers a diverse range of experiences. But there's so much more than what meets the eye. Havana's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a maze of cobblestone streets, colonial architecture, and lively plazas. Did you know that Ernest Hemingway spent nearly 20 years living in Cuba? You can visit his favorite haunts like the famous El Floridita bar where he sipped on daiquiris. Packing tips. When traveling to Cuba, pack light and smart. The tropical climate means lightweight, breathable clothing is a must. Don't forget a good pair of walking shoes for exploring those charming but uneven cobblestone streets. Here's a pro tip. Bring cash. Credit cards aren't widely accepted, and exchanging money can be tricky. Also, pack some basic medical supplies as pharmacies can be limited. Cultural insights. Cuba is known for its vibrant culture and lively festivals. One of the most exciting events is the Santiago de Cuba Carnival in July. This festival is a whirlwind of music, dance, and colorful costumes. Fun fact: did you know that the Cuban national dance, the Danzón, originated in the late 19th century and is still performed at many social gatherings today? Itinerary ideas. Planning a week in Cuba? Here's a suggested itinerary to make the most of your trip. Day 1 and 2, explore Havana. Visit the Malecón, the Capitol building, and enjoy a classic car tour. Day 3 and 4, head to Viñales Valley for stunning landscapes, tobacco farms, and horseback riding. Day 5 and 6, relax in Varadero with its pristine beaches and crystal clear waters. Day 7, visit Trinidad for its colonial charm and vibrant nightlife. Each destination offers a unique slice of Cuban life and history. Accommodation reviews. Whether you prefer luxury hotels or cozy casas particulares, Cuba has it all. In Havana, the Hotel Nacional de Cuba offers a blend of history and luxury. For a more authentic experience, stay in a casa particular, a type of Cuban B&B where you can immerse yourself in local culture. Remember to book in advance, especially during peak tourist season, to ensure you get the best spots. If you're loving these travel tips and insights, make sure to subscribe to our channel and smash that like button. Your support helps us bring you more exciting travel content every week. Now, let's get back to uncovering more of Cuba. Conclusion: Cuba is a treasure trove of culture, history, and natural beauty. Whether you're a history buff, a beach lover, or a salsa enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Cuban adventure today. Thanks for watching. Let's explore. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite Cuban destination or a travel tip of your own. See you next time, travelers.